To subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and get notified when the video drops.
What's up, everybody? How are you? Sorry for the little time shift and the technical glitch. Hi. Okay, so I've dressed up today like the Magic Bus, just like them, in the yellow colored jumpsuit. What's up? How are you? Okay, so guys, we're here for a really special cause. I'm doing this live so that, me and all my Amalians, all the people who are watching this, together we can contribute and help to eradicate this pandemic. I'm doing my bit musically and financially also. Wherever I can support, I'm providing my heart, funds, putting teams together. So today I'm here performing for you guys for this really special cause, and I hope together we can support the 38,000 families that are going to benefit from this session. So I want all of you all to register on Magic Bus and donate funds in whatever small amount you can. No problem. Even if you contribute 100, 200 rupees, together we're such a big team, all of us, that it'll be a huge number. Okay, so I'm going to start singing a few songs for you all. But before that, I want to tell you more about Magic Bus. They're an NGO, a beautiful one. They're working so hard, trying to contribute as much as they can, to the society, helping people, almost reaching out to 1.1 crore people. It's unbelievable. They're really working hard, and I'm glad that they have got me on board to do this. And today being Mother's Day, there's a little surprise for you all, so stay till the end. End of my battery or end of the live. Thank you so much. I'm seeing all my fans come in. Beautiful. This is such a good feeling. Thank you guys. You all are the most wonderful people ever. And I'm glad that along with me, you guys also have put your heart into this and are supporting this cause. So don't ever think that we're not into this together. We're going to kill it together. We're working hard. Hum अच्छे लोग हैं. We're going to contribute in our best way. अभी थोड़ा better है light, I think. Now is it better? Tell me. Okay, so when I'll be playing the songs, it'll be here. Maybe when I'll talk, I'll shift it here. Before I start, I want to show you this video also, which is a very beautiful thing. So you can see that Magic Bus is doing such a wonderful job. So this is the link that I want you all to register and donate and make things happen for this wonderful NGO and these wonderful people who are running it. So don't forget to donate to Magic Bus. Okay, abhi it's time for the songs. Let's go. Yes, I will save this live and I'll ask them to upload it, and even I'll try to get a copy of it. Okay, so any requests from all you guys? Something that you want me to specifically sing? Batao, kya गाना है? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप तक? Can you hear me? Can you hear me singing? Everybody? कुछ भी नहीं है ये जहां, है तो है इसमें जिंदगी। मैं तुझको कितना चाहता हूँ ये तू कभी सोच ना सके। तेरे मेरे दरमिया है बातें अनकही, तू वहाँ है मैं यहाँ क्यों साथ हम नहीं। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाए तू जाने ना। ये दूरियां इन राहों की दूरियां फना हो सभी दूरियां। शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए ना है ये पाना ना खोना भी है। हर घड़ी सांस आती है जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही। आँखों को तेरी आदत है तू देखे ना तो इन्हें शिकायत है। इन मेमोरी ऑफ ऋषि कपूर सर, बुद्धू सा मन है for you sir, wherever you are may you be at peace। शामों सवेरे तेरी यादें आती है आके दिल को मेरे यूं तड़पाती है। ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा डोलना। तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा डोलना। तुझ में खोया रहूं मैं मुझ में खोई रहे तू खुद को ढूंढ लेंगे फिर कभी। मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा। बनाती है जो तू वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक रहे। इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शामें ढले मौसम ढले। सुन मेरे हम सफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर के तेरी सांस चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर। मेरे पास तुम रहो जाने की बात ना करो। मेरे साथ तुम रहो जाने की बात ना करो। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सजना तेरे बिना। Yeah, you all can go call Arman also on the live because we both have something special for you all. Till then I'll keep singing for you. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो। तू जो
नजरों के सामने कल होगा नहीं, तुझको देखे बिन मैं मर ना जाऊं कहीं। कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, ये आईना है या तू है जो रोज मुझको सवारे। कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ तू इतना जरूरी, कैसे हुआ। Okay, Arman, I can't find your request. This is gonna be special. I couldn't go to my house today. I'm stuck at the studio because I had to do this live for y'all. Okay, just 2 minutes left, I think. So I'm gonna say bye to all of y'all with a few more songs really quickly. आँखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा, लफ्जों में जो इश्क था हुआ ना होठों से बयां। कुछ तो है जो नींद आए कम, कुछ तो है जो आंखें है नम, कुछ तो है जो तू कह दे तो हंसते हंसते मर जाए हम। तू आती है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरता हूँ। कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ। So guys, this is the end to the session today. Thank you so much for coming here, contributing, watching me live, loving and supporting my whole family, our music. Thank you to all my fans and to all the viewers here. Please contribute in your own little way, because one person can make it look really small. It's just one person who can make a difference. That is you. So please do it. See you guys. Love you. Thank you so much.